Hello, Professor and TAs. Thanks for watching this video, and my name is Shifu, and this is the demo for my final project. Right now, you are watching the personal index page of myself, and here we will see, yeah, the movie hub is actually my final project. Let's go to the index page. Okay, so when I demo this final project, I will actually divide all the users into two groups. One is for the normal user, and the other is for the admin. So firstly, let's start with the regular user. So let's log in, and for testing the regular user, we use Alice. Let's log in. Okay, so it will bring us to the profile page of Alice. In this profile page, we actually have four parts. The first part will be the personal information display, and the second part will be the movie likes, which contains the list of movies that Alice likes. The third part will be the movie comments, which is the comments that are made by Alice before. And the last part will be followed friends, actually followed by Alice. So for the personal information, we can actually edit any information we want. Let's say we want to edit the first name and change it to Alice123, and click the update button. It will show that we have already updated the Alice first name successfully, and let's just change it back to Alice. Okay, so for test the movie likes feature, we actually can first start from our search feature to search a new movie, and we will like that movie. Say here we use Avatar as an example, and click search button. It will bring us a list of movies whose title is related to Avatar. And here you will see the poster, title, the year, and IMDb. Let's click on the poster to go to the detail page of this movie. And in this movie, we have all the information about this movie, like the IMDb rating, the country, the year, the category, the release date, the director, the actors, and so on and so on. If you say, I really like this movie, then I click the like button here. Then you will see there's jumping out a dislike blue button, and it also means that we have already liked this movie. So let's go back to our profile page. We'll find that this movie has already been added here, and let's go back to our detail page. And here we will see another feature, which is shows all the users that like this movie. Apparently, Alice liked this movie, and also Cindy likes this movie. The next part will show the comments about all the users who has made comment about this movie. And it shows Cindy, and Cindy says it is very good. And we can definitely check the certain person's personal information. Like let's see here, we can click Cindy and go to Cindy's personal profile page. And for here, we will also see the Cindy's personal information and the movie that Cindy likes. And here is moving comments made by Cindy. And here is the follow friends of Cindy. And actually, you will see that Cindy followed us. Okay, so let's go back to this movie. Okay, so if I just dislike this movie and I want to remove it from my movie likes, so let's go back to the details page and click dislike button. Then go back to our profile page, and it will show that after the movie has gone. Okay, so this is the movie likes feature. And next will be the movie comments feature. And it will list all the comments made by Alice. So nice here to go to this movie. There is a comment by Alice. Let's go back. And about this movie. So comment this movie. Okay, so we will make comment about this movie. So it's say I really like it. Okay, click submit button. So it will show there's one comment made by Alice, which is me. So let's go back to our profile page. You will show, okay, the new comments for the Alice in Wonderland has been added into our movie comments here. And we can also remove any comments that we made before. See, we want to remove these comments now. So just click this remove button. Okay, cool. And next will be the followed friends feature. So the cool thing is actually I add the search friends feature here. We can actually it will help us to match all the users in our database. And let's see, for A we have admin Alice, and okay, so for the T it says there's no result found. So if we want to unfollow some certain user, let's say we want to unfollow the admin, so just click on this delete icon here. So admin is gone. So we can actually add the admin from our search icon and select it and add it. So it will show here. And also, this is one way to follow one friend, and another way to follow and unfollow one friend is actually, let's say, go to the personal profile page of the certain user. So let's say we can actually, let's delete, unfollow all the users, and go back to our certain movie. Go back to certain movie for this, and here is Cindy. Let's go to Cindy's personal profile page. Now you see there is a follows, and we can click here, and it means that we want to follow Alice, and go back to our profile page. This is Cindy has been followed, and let's go to Cindy's personal profile page and unfollow her, and go back to our profile page. Now Cindy is gone. Okay, so cool. So this is all the almost all the features for the regular users. And let's log out, and next we'll log in as an admin. We will use Bob for testing. So log in. Okay, for admin, it will firstly bring us to the admin page, which will give the user right to control all the users in our database. And see, we can actually sort the users by their username or by their role. Okay, for the admin, you have some, like you can add a new user. Say we add test. Role will be user. Okay, so here is test. So we can also definitely edit the information about particular user. So here we just added information about tester. So let's see, for the tester selected, and I want to edit his email to be gmail.com, and click the confirm button. It will show that this information has already been updated. And next part will actually, we can also delete the certain users. Say right now I don't want test, so I just click the delete button. So test is gone. So beyond to this user management feature, and admin also has all the features. Like the regular user, it can change its personal information, like movies, search movies, and make comments, and search friend. Let's see, we want to follow Alice, and we want to search some certain movie like the Superman. Okay, and like the movie, that's the same. It's the same like the regular user. So that's almost almost all features, and the last feature will be register as a new user. Let's quick do that. Let's say I want to register as my last name. So it will be, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and switch. Okay. Now we have registered the new user here. Okay. So so that's almost all the features that I want to demo to you, and really appreciate watching, and thanks. I want to say I really learned a lot from this course and I really like it, and I really enjoyed this course, and thanks for professor and thanks for the TA. Thank you.